Hello and namaste beautiful yogis. How are you all? The last 3 videos I did were based on passion, compassion and dispassion. So today's practice is going to combine all 3 of them to complete that circle of life. So without any further ado, let's begin. So we'll start in the easy pose. You can just stay in a simple cross-legged posture. Stay here just for a few breaths. You can keep your palms facing upwards, spine straight. See that your neck is elongated. Top of the head is reaching towards the ceiling. Stay here just for a few breaths. Inhale and exhale. Tia has decided to join us. One more time. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Excellent. From there, we move on to the mill churning pose. So for this posture, you take your legs apart in front of you, and as you inhale, bring your palms together, interlock your fingers. As you exhale, start moving forward. Exhale, complete a circle. Inhale back 3 times each side. 2, 3, and we change sides. 1, 2, and 3. From there, we move on to the cradle pose, or our Hindolasana as it is called. So taking the knees, bending your knees, so right foot in the left hand, and you're cradling your bottom part of the leg and you're moving side to side like so. So just breathe here, inhale and exhale. If you're comfortable, you can always bring your foot in and be here. One last breath. And release. Right, changing sides, changing the legs. From here, I'm moving on to the left leg, left side. So bringing the foot in and holding your bottom part of the leg like a baby, like you would hold a baby, and cradling your knee. 1, 2, deep breaths. Pose for compassion, so you can look at your knee lovingly and release. From there, we move on to the child's pose. So sitting, placing your buttocks onto your heels, and from there, inhale here. And as you exhale, extend your arms in front, moving into child's pose. If you want to make it slightly easier, you can take your knees apart and stay here. There's no rush to go down whatsoever. From there, you can make fists of your palms. Bring one fist of the other. Place your forehead on the fists. Just for a couple more breaths. And release. We move on to our belly. So lying down on your belly. Moving into Cobra pose, or the easier version, Sphinx pose. So opening your collarbones, extending the collarbones, opening the chest more. If you feel Sphinx pose is too easy for you, move into Cobra pose. Here. Staying for a few breaths. Make sure that the shoulders are reaching down, elbows are turned in. And relax. Release. From there, extend the arms in front for Locust pose variation. So you place the palms down, forehead down. And as you inhale, lift up. Keep breathing. Keep lifting the legs higher. Keep lifting the arms higher. Keep lifting your whole body. And release. From there, moving on to the resting posture, Makarasana. Placing one palm over the other. Placing your forehead down. And for our last three postures, lying down on your back, you can take support with the bottom half of your arms, the forearm. Take support of your forearm here. So dig the forearm down onto the floor, palms down, elbows down. Inhale here. And as you exhale, come up for boat pose. So keep your knees bent. This is the easier version. And come up. Stay here. If you want to challenge yourself, you can extend the arms in front, extend the legs as well, and hold it. See that your back is straight, chest is open. One last breath, inhale. Really firing up that gut. And from there, bring the forearms down again. This time, place the legs down. Arch your back and drop the head down, top of your head down. Stay here for the fish pose. Two more breaths. It's a modified fish pose. And our next exhalation, lift your head up, look at your toes. Dropping the shoulders down first and then the head down. Make space for the back of your head. See that there is no obstruction at the back of your head. Extend the arms by the sides. The palms are facing up, fingers are naturally curled. Feet are mat width apart, flopped on to either sides. With the final posture, Shavasana. Stay and breathe. Deep breaths connecting with your body. This time, this is the final posture. Try to withdraw all the senses. Focus completely on your breath. Observe if there are any changes in the breathing pattern. Is it more shallow or more deep? And let your body loose. Let go. You can stay here as long as you want to, as long as you need to. Whenever you're ready, bend your knees, bring your legs together, roll over to the right side, take support with your left palm, come up and sit up. This completes our practice. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching. Thank you and namaste.